I am seeing a lot of doctors. Will the Social Security Administration accept the medical records and opinions from physicians, osteopath, podiatrist, or optometrist? Now, winning your Social Security disability claim involves a lot of medical proof. But the Social Security Administration has a rule about what medical records they will accept. They're very picky about it. In fact, the rule basically says we'll accept this, but we can ignore that or not give it a whole lot of weight. The Social Security regulations say that physicians, osteopaths, podiatrists, and optometrists are recognized as acceptable medical sources. Important term. Now, that means that the Social Security Administration will recognize their opinions in evaluating whether or not you meet the 5-step sequential evaluation test that's used in every Social Security disability case. At step 3, the issue is whether or not you meet a listing. At step 4, the question is whether or not you can go back to the lightest job you held in the 15 years before you became disabled. At step 5, can you do other work in the national economy? And that is in part, that decision is in part based on the Social Security Administration's evaluations of the severity of your medical condition, the nature of that condition, and the resulting restrictions and limitations, or in other words, your functional capabilities. However, the Social Security Administration will not accept the opinions of chiropractors, physical therapists, occupational therapists, acupuncturists, herbalists, naturopaths. Now, the Social Security Administration may want to see those records so that they get a sense of the nature of the treatment, but their opinions are not going to be binding. You've got to see the right kind of physician to win your Social Security disability claim. And many times I have to tell my clients, unfortunately, you can't see the herbalist or the acupuncturist or the naturopath and expect that you're going to win your case. You're going to have to get medical treatment by recognized medical providers. That isn't to say you can't get both, but we need both forms of treatment and an opinion regarding your functional capabilities by one of those recognized acceptable medical sources. Social Security is not going to accept or place any kind of weight on the opinions of those non-acceptable medical sources. That can make the difference in getting your benefits. If you have any questions about your rights to Social Security benefits, or if your claim has been denied, remember, you'll only have 60 days in which to file an appeal. If your claim has been denied at the initial stage or the recon stage, 60 days to file a request for a hearing. Call us today immediately at 727-894-3188. Don't lose your valuable rights to get your Social Security benefits. 727-894-3188.